Are you looking for the best kerosene heater? In this video, we will break down the top 5 best kerosene heaters on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. DuraHeat kerosene heater. The construction of the heater is top-notch, meaning that you can really count on this investment for years to come. In addition to that, this will really surpass your expectations when it comes to providing relief in low temperatures. However, you should be aware that it emits a strong smell, since it is an open flame heater. Therefore, it's critical to use it only in well-ventilated areas, for safety reasons. You'll most likely appreciate that this works right out of the box, and it really generates a lot of heat. When compared to other heaters, this one really supplies instant heat, which is great. Also, thanks to the ergonomic handle, you can move this around your patio as you wish. Due to the continuous electronic ignition, there is a permanent source of ignition for unburned fuel. This is important as it diminishes the ability of fuels to pull or collect, thus leading to hazardous scenarios. All in all, this is a great product that is well worth the investment, primarily due to its high level of efficacy. At number 2. DuraHeat DH2304's 360-degree kerosene heater. This is a powerful kerosene heater that has the ability to heat up almost any space in no time. It has a full 360-degree heating radius, so it pumps out heat in all directions, no matter where you put it. The protective grille surrounds the entire surface area, so nothing will come in contact with it while it's burning. Even if you accidentally brush up against it, you won't feel a thing. The best kerosene heater for indoor use needs to be powerful, and this model meets this requirement. It is rated at 23,800 BTUs, so it won't have any trouble heating up a large space on even the coldest day. The DuraHeat also has a large tank, holding up to 1.9 gallons of kerosene. This will keep your heater running for up to 12 hours, even on the highest setting. The controls are easy to use, even if it's your first time testing it out. There is a dial to adjust the heat level, an ignition switch, and a manual shutdown for turning it off when you're done with it. When you first turn it on, there may be some initial kerosene odor, but the no-lift heat chamber design keeps this to a minimum. There may also be some odor when you shut it off, but again, this is not overpowering and should dissipate very quickly. At number 3. Sengoku Heat-Made HMN110 Portable Radiant Kerosene Heater. This box-shaped kerosene heater from Sengoku is ideal for anyone who needs to heat indoor areas of up to 380 square feet. These could either be inside the home or in buildings such as a garage or workshop. It is also suitable when you need an emergency heating solution, should your main heating source ever fail. Using the heater is very simple, provided you follow the relevant safety guidelines for the use of kerosene. Batteries are included which allow you to easily start the heater using the electronic ignition, and once it is lit, you then have the means to adjust the heat level to a high or low setting, depending on your needs. Safety features include an automatic cutoff switch if carbon monoxide levels increase, and it will also switch off should the heater accidentally get knocked over. The fuel tank holds 1.2 gallons of kerosene, which should be enough to keep the heater working for up to 14 hours, although this will be dependent on the heat setting selected. At number 4. DynaGlo KFA135DGD Kerosene Heater. This is a dependable kerosene heater appealing to professionals and homeowners alike. Boasting a dual heat technology and an output of 135,000 BTU, this unit can seamlessly transform your garage or shed into a year-round workshop. Warming up things in outdoor work sites and in large workshops is easy, thanks to the generous heating capacity of 3,200 square feet. Comfort and fuel management are ensured by a convenient thermostat which is easy to set, even by the inexperienced users. Versatility and convenience are also added by the possibility to run the unit with multiple fuels, while the dual-source power cord allows you to plug in additional tools and devices. Lastly, a robust yet compact frame with 10-inch wheels and ergonomic handles boosts mobility, making the KFA135DGD live up to its deluxe name. At number 5. The Single KUCV23K DuraHeat. It is the heater that has the ability to heat a room up to 900 square feet. The Single KUCV23K DuraHeat Convection Portable Kerosene Heater has a fuel capacity of 1.9 gallons. With this capacity, the heater will work for 12 hours without any interruption. It features the easy start button and automatic safety shut-off, which makes it a safe appliance for your home or office. This is a wonderful heat source that you should buy to stay warm in the winter season. This appliance is available at a reasonable price, so that everyone can enjoy the warmth provided by this heater. It heats your space to a nice toasty temperature,